This is the Emirates A380. And we're here to see the airline's new premium economy.
Hello, good morning. Hi, thank you.
And wow, is it nice.
I've got to say, it really beats any premium economy I've sat in, hands down.
But let's ease our way into this. You see, we had so much fun touring the Emirates A380 at the Dubai Air Show, and the interior looked so good that we had to give it its own video. We got a chance to take a look at the entire thing, and this is a big plane with 4 classes of service.
We're on board the Emirates A380. This is brand new, spotless. It's, I think, their third to last one. They're about to receive the last 2, and those will be the last A380s that ever go out. It is so cool to be back on an A380, actually. Not only because it's a fun plane to be on, and I haven't been on one in ages, but because over the course of the pandemic, most of these got grounded. Maybe less so at Emirates, but pretty much everywhere else. And now the A380 is having a bit of a comeback. So, you know, economy may get kind of pushed under the rug compared to all the fancy stuff that's on this plane and the beautiful premium economy. But just look at this. The legroom is amazing. I mean, if I can, I'm gonna sit up there or, you know, upstairs in one of the lie flat seats. But if I had to be in this, the screen is crisp and huge. The fabrics are nice. I love the colors of the cabin, and there's so much room for your knees. I would say that if you're in economy, this has got to be one of the best options out there, Emirates A380. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. It would be kind of funny if they made you stare at this screen the whole flight, advertising the premium economy while you're sat in economy. I'm sure that's not the case, but it's a funny image. This is so fun to be back on an A380.
Is it?
Yeah, it's been a long time. So we're walking through the business class on the upper deck right now. All right, so I'm gonna sit down in one of these seats. I hope that's okay. I see other people doing it, so. This is all right. And it's got the nice upper deck A380 side storage bins, which are handy. Plenty of places to put things. A lot of space for your feet, huge screen. This is great. Emirates, of course, famous for their in-flight entertainment system. It's a really nice, soft leather on the seats. Now, this is the famous Emirates first class. And it's not the brand new one that they have on a few of their planes with the fully enclosed suites, but it's the kind of the one that's been making headlines for years. Slightly updated, I think. I flew this product many years ago, and this seems to be an upgraded version of it. Bigger screen, maybe slightly higher walls. You still have the famous pop-up minibar.
Okay, I think we've waited long enough. Let's get to the main event here, what you all really came to see. We'll just head down the stairs to take a proper look at premium economy.
Yes, this is what I'm hoping to see most of all. Hi. Hi. Fine, thanks. How are you?
Great.
Yeah. This is the thing,
this
huh?
is the new Emirates product. Yeah, the premium economy. Do you want me to give you like detailed explanation?
Yeah, why not?
Definitely. So first of all, as you can see, the seats are more wider. The seat width is 19.5 inches. And the seat pitch is around 40 pitches, which gives you more space. If we recline the seat backwards, it goes 8 inches. And the headrest is like 6 ways adjustable.
It looks amazing.
Exactly. Over here you got the seat, the footrest,
Yeah.
sorry. And you have also the calf rest.
Okay. Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, wow.
So here you got a 13.3 inches screen, full HD touch screen, which means you don't need a remote control. You can connect your USB cable over here and a Type-C cable as well.
They even have Type-C.
It's more convenient, exactly. We offer more than 4,500 channels on the screen. Even if the customer in front of you would recline the seat backwards,
Yeah.
you still can enjoy the TV this way.
Yeah? And you could
still
probably
can
work on a laptop?
Exactly.
This is only on a handful of planes, and they're still not selling it as its own cabin yet, just as a premium seat choice in economy. On the London to Dubai runs, these are selling for about $350 each way, and that actually represents a great value. There's nothing on the website that shows it's actually the premium economy seat. You just have to know by seeing the seat map with blocks of 2 instead of 3 seats at the sides. This is going to be rolled out to dozens more of their planes, and that's great news for us.
It feels much more luxurious than a lot of the premium economies I've tried. It feels more spacious, and crucially, the fact that you can recline it quite a bit and you have this adjustable headrest. We'll give it a little try out here. It really feels like you might be able to sleep on an overnight flight in this. It's not a flat bed, obviously, but this seems really comfortable. Big screen, everything quality feeling. This would be fantastic to fly on a long leg, I think.
It was nice to have a chance to spend some time with an A380. It's a behemoth for one thing, and that's always fun. Plus, they're about to stop producing it, meaning this will be a classic and rare bird before we know it. We may not know what new variants are going to bring as we go forward, but for now, at least it's nice to know this super jumbo still flies. In Dubai, for Flight Radar 24, I'm Gabriel Lee.